So if you want to write ANSI, the same thing. Okay, I just go to here, but in place of where class on. So in place of comma, you can use what now? Inner join. Okay, and take next example. Write a query to display sum of salaries of department names wise. Okay, to display sum of salaries of departments names wise. Okay, and now here in this example, again you can see in the previously we discussed sum of salaries of department number wise. Yes or no? So there we written, okay, for example, if you want to go for your table, okay, if I come back to your table, so I was okay in this table, if I need to find out the department number wise sum of salaries, we need to find out. So in this case, what happened? Your department number and salary, the both informations are having in the same table. Both are having in the same table. So that's what we written now. Okay, come on. How you written? Come on. Department number, sum of sal from EMP, which class? Group by for what? Department number. So I was find out here. And here I'm going to perform my operation on single table. Why we perform single table and why not any joins means because my salary and my department, this both columns belongs to which table? EMP table. So here I don't want it any joins. But my requirement is what now? I don't want it department numbers wise. I want it what now? Department names wise. But can you see in my EMP table, you have a salary, but you have any department names? No. So that means the department names are where it is now. Come on. Department names are where it is now in DEPT table. So in DEPT table, you have a departments, and in my employee table, I have a salaries. So now what happened again? My required data is in two tables. So my required data, when it was having in two tables, again, what I want to do? Again, I want to use join. Got it my point now? So now what I want to do, now I need a joint statement to combine first these two tables together. So how I want to combine these two tables? Select a star from EMPE comma DEPT D, where E dot DEPT number is equals to D dot DEPT number. In this case, what happened? You can see the two tables data was combined here as per your given joint condition. Now we can see employee number, name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission, department number. Up to here it is called as a EMP table. Then after what it was? Department table also there. Yes or no? Up to here, this is my EMP table. To this EMP table, what I'm joining? Department table also joined. Okay. So after joining these two tables together, then what I need to do? Based on this department names wise, sum of salaries I want to calculate. Okay. And let me see. Suppose what I want to do on this department name, I need to apply which class now? Which class now? Be active here. Be active. It is a morning 9 o'clock batch, not a night 7 o'clock batch. Be active. Which class? Group by. So I want to apply group by on which column? Department name column. So when you apply group by on department name column, then tell me as per this data, how many groups are forming? How many groups? 3 groups. What is that? First one, research. Okay. Second one, sales. Third one, accounting. How many groups are forming? 3 groups are forming. Yes or no? Now, how many research people? 5. So research, 5. How many salesmen? Sorry, sales. 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many accounting people? 3 people. So now this is called as what? Grouping. After dividing groups, then what I need to find out? Sum of salary. Then which function? Sum function. Sum of salary. Sum of salary of how many groups? 3 groups. I want to perform sum of salary on 3 groups. And now salaries, tell me. First research person salary how much? 800. First research person salary. Second, 2975. 2975. Okay. Third, 3000. The third research person salary 3000. Fourth, 1100. The fourth research person 1100. Next, 3000. These are research people salary. Okay. Combine now. 3000 plus 3, 6, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So 9000. And here 9 and 1, 10,000. So 10,875. Something 10,000 above it will come. Okay, na? Right. Now next one is come out sales. Sales also calculate like this. First sales how much? 1600. Second sales 1250. Third sales again 1250. 1250. Next sales 2850. Okay. Next sales 1500. Next sales 950. Okay. So here I want to sum together. So how much here, like count here? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6,000. 6,000, 7,000, 7,400, 7,400, 800, 8,000. So 8,400. So here something 900 plus 9,000 plus it will come. Okay, right. Next accounting, you can see first accounting how much? 2450. Next accounting 5000. Next accounting 1300. Over a now you can come sum together here. So 7 8 7 5 0 na 8750. This is some function working on research group, some function working on sales group, some function working on accounting. Understand now? So this is what it was happened. So that means up to this query, what it was happened, two tables data joined. But can you see the two tables data joined? Which type of data joined here? Only matchings. 2020 matching, 30-30 matching, 30-30 matching, 20-20 matching, 30-30, 30-30, 10-10. All matchings are, how many times matchings are done? That all matchings are showing us. Okay, now? Now, okay. What I want to do, and this is my query. Into this query, which column wise I need to find out your sum of salary? Department name. After that, which function? Sum of sal. Sum of sal. Sum of sum of sal. Next year, up to here, what happened? Your table, two tables are joined. But after where class, which class I have to use? Group by on which column? Department name. Understand na? So first, where class is executed, matching data will be joins like this. After matching data, then what we applied? Group by on which column? Department name. So every department names are separated. After separated, on their separated salaries, what function will executed here? Sum function. And now we can see now accounting 8750, research 10,000 above, sales 9,400. Got it now? Right down below. And this is non-ANSI format. This is non-ANSI, and if you want it ANSI here, so ANSI also we can write. And in place of this, I want to use my inner join statement. And after where I want to use on class. Okay, right. And take one more example on this. Write a query to display departments. Okay, if or else department, in which department sum of salary, sum of salary is more than more than 10,000. Now tell me. So I wanted my departments and in which department sum of salary is more than 10,000. So which department was there like this? Research. Now tell me how to write now. Up to here we know. Up to here we find out all departments sum of salaries. Next what I'm asking, more than 10,000 departments I wanted. What I want to use? Having, very good. After group by, if you need to do some filter, which class? Having class. Before grouping, where class. Okay na, subject will be rewind here, otherwise confusion. Okay na. So now can I say like this here? Okay, so up to here same as it is, name, sum of salary from EMP DAPT, where class, condition, after group by. Up to here same. What additional I want to add? Having. And after end of this query, having, come on, this all we discussed already. Having, what do you say? Sum of sal which is greater than 10,000 rupees. Got it? Now how many clauses I'm using in my joints? Where class, group by class, and having class. So now already you know na, how the classes order. Which classes first execute? Where? Second, third, fourth, order by. Remember now? Yes. Now we got it research 10,000 above. Right on below. So first where class, and after that grouping also, then having you can use. And this is what type? Non-ANSI type. Okay. And even though you can write the same thing in the ANSI also. So in place of this inner join, in place of this on, and remaining will be same. Okay, right. So now this is what we what we call the equijoin examples. And in this all examples, you can see how these two tables are joined by using which operator? Equal operator. And whatever the data we are retrieval and whatever we perform operations, that everything we perform on matching rows and matching data only we perform. Okay. But here in my tables, careful observe. If I have a table here, select a star from course, and another table we have here student. Okay, now in this 10, 10, 20, 10, 20 is called as a matchings. So matchings I can retrieve by using of equal or equal operator or equijoin. But guys here observe, in this table 30 was unmatching row. In this table null is a unmatching row. So then what I want to do, in my both the tables, I have matchings and unmatching rows. But when I'm using equijoin on these two tables, equijoin is always retrieval. Which type of data? Matching data only retrieval. It means that we are losing unmatching data. Whatever the unmatching rows and data was there in these two tables, that unmatching rows are, we are not retrieval. That means we are missing. What we are doing? We are missing here. Which data missing? Unmatching data is missing. Okay, sir, now I wanted matching data along with the unmatching data I wanted. So both I want it now, matching and also unmatching. So whenever you want it like this, then you have to use the one of the technique is called as a outer techniques we are using. Which techniques? Outer. So below write down here. Okay, take some note point. What is my note point here? By using equijoin, we can retrieval or we can retrieve. Okay, we can retrieval matching rows, but not unmatching rows. Okay. Now you can say if we want to retrieve, matching okay, matching and also unmatching rows, from multiple tables, then we use outer joins. Okay, we can use outer joins. Now come out and see. Now take your siding outer joins. How many outer joins are there here? How many types? 3 types. What is the first one? Left outer join. Now take left outer join. Left outer join, what it will do here? Retrieval. Okay, otherwise retrieving matching rows. From both the tables. And unmatching rows from left side table from left side table only. From left side table only. Okay, so left outer join means what now? Matchings from both. Unmatchings from only left side. Now, how I can use in the ANSI format? First observe. I'm going to write first ANSI. Your definition understand now? Left outer join. Okay, how it was retrieving data means retrieving matching rows from both tables, left and right, but unmatching rows from left side only. Okay, but here, sir, which table is left and which table is right? How I can decide? Means that it's way of passing order. The tables in which order the programmer will pass, based on that, the programmer can decide left and right. Okay, now the passing of tables order. Okay, for example, let me come out and see. These are my two tables. Carefully observe. Understand now? Now what I am going to do, I'm writing here select, okay, star from, here I'm using student. Yes. And my keyword is what now? Left outer join keyword. And now right side I'm giving course. And now tell me, which table is left side now? Student is left side. Course is right side. So it's a passing order. The programmer, which way I will pass my tables, based on that, the order can be decided. So now I'm passing this order. That reason, my table, which table have here left side? Student, and this is join key, and right side course is there. Suppose, sir, I want to change this order. Yes, of course, you can change. In place of this, I want to give what now? Course. In place of this, I want to what now? Student. Now tell me, now which table is left side? Which table is right side? So that left and rights can be decided by your programmer by passing order of the tables. Understand now? So now student is left and course is a right. Then left outer join, what I'm saying here, in these two tables, matching rows are retrievable. What is the matching rows? 10, 20. So 10, 20. So these are matching rows. But again, what it was happen, the left outer join retrieval unmatching rows also. But unmatching row, which side table? Student. So left side table. Left side table unmatching person is who is this? Null. His name is what? Miller. So this one, it will get it. Understand now? Let me see to execute now. So course. And now I'm writing here ANSI joins on S dot CID is equals to C dot CID. Now we can see, okay, so 10-10 matching, 10-10 matching, 20-20 matching. Matching data from both tables. Can you see how? Yes. But here unmatching data is there. Can you find out here? Yes. Unmatching data we are getting from what? Left side table. Left side which table? Student table. But right side unmatching data came? No. In place of this, what by default it will take? Nulls. Understand now? This is what now? Left outer join. Matching and also unmatching. But unmatching from left side only. This is ANSI format, right? No? Okay, right. This is okay. ANSI format left outer join implementation. This, but the same thing, guys. Here I want it now non-ANSI format. Okay, here observe. Whenever you want to write non-ANSI format for especially outer joins techniques in non-ANSI format, there is one special operator we need to use, and that operator is called as a plus. Okay. So what I want to say first, observe. Okay. So when we want to write, okay, outer joins, outer joins in non-ANSI, in non-ANSI format, in non-ANSI format, then we use a special, okay, operator, the special join operator is, okay, open bracket plus and close your bracket. Okay. So now here the plus symbol I'm going to using, and with the help of this symbol I can predict my left outer and right outer joints. Okay. And here carefully observe one blind statement. What is a blind statement? When you want it left outer, then this predict symbol you can use on the right side, on the right side table. When you want to use left outer, then the predict symbol you can use on the right side table. When you want it a right outer, then this predict symbol can use on the left side table. It's quite opposite of your left and right. If you want to implement left outer join, then use at a right side table, you can predict. If you want to implement right outer join, then you can predict on right, what you can say, right side, sorry, right means left side you can predict. Okay, na? So how I can predict here, observe carefully. This is actually my information about the left outer join, already output is there. So now, but I'm writing into which case characters? Non-ANSI. So non-ANSI, how to write here? Observe. This join statement I want to remove. And which table I have in the left side? Course side, student table. Right side, course table. Okay, fine. And now I'm using which condition? Where condition only. So where? And here left outer join I said. So that's what I want to do, where S dot CID is equals to C dot CID of what I want to use? Plus symbol I want to use. I want to use what now? Plus. The plus predict symbol. I'm using which side? Left side or right side? Right side I'm using. Then it was implement left outer. So let me see to execute now. After executing of this, can you see the above result and below result? Both are same? Yes. So that means left outer join implemented a? Yes or no? Yes. In which format? Non-ANSI. This is one of the interview question. How to write outer joins in non-ANSI format. Okay, so many people, they didn't know how to write because maybe they are showing that outdated concept. That's why nobody can ask. But if you go to interview, compulsory it will be asking to you. Okay, na? And which symbol I want to use here? Predict symbol plus operator should be used. Right down below. So non-ANSI example. Okay. Same as the second definition is what now? I have to go for right outer join. Exciting right outer. Right outer, what it was saying, retrieving matching rows from both tables, but unmatching rows from right side table only. And here I want to use my right keyword. Okay, here I want to use my right keyword. And now we can see when I'm using right outer join, how it was. Okay, and come back and see it here. And now in my query, which is my right side table, course. That means your unmatching data coming from course table, matching data coming from both tables. Okay. And let me see to execute now. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20 matching. What is this? 30. 30 is a matching or unmatching? Unmatching data. Understand? Na? So that we got it now. And let me see. Okay. Unmatching data. But next, the same thing if you want to write a non-ANSI. Come on. What is non-ANSI? How to write? It is a right. Right means I need to predict which side? Left side. Left side I'm going to predict this. Okay. If you see this non-ANSI, right outer join in non-ANSI format. Okay. I just executed here. The same output. Yes or no? Yes. So right outer join ANSI, right outer join non-ANSI. Right down below. Okay. Now, so same as then define your full outer join. full outer join. So full outer join advantage is what now simply we call it is a combination of left outer and right outer join. Left outer and right outer join. So that what it was happen, it was retrieval. Okay. So retrieving, okay, matching and also unmatching, matching and also unmatching rows from both the tables here. Okay, matching and unmatching rows from both the tables at a time. Both tables at a time. Okay. Now how, sir, I want to implement this means, and now we can see first I'm showing ANSI and come out on these two tables of data. When you perform your, okay, now we can see if I use in place of right and keep it what? Full outer join. And after that, our condition is what now? On S dot CID is equals to C dot CID. And carefully observe. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20 matchings. And 1024 Miller, this is called as a unmatching row from the left side table. Same as 30.NET 6000. This is unmatching row from right side table. But here what happened, left side unmatching row parallelly in the right side, what it will take by default? Nulls are taking here. And right side unmatching places in the left table by default, what it will take? Nulls are taking here. Okay, so this is what now both the matching and unmatching I can get from this. Okay, now? But the same thing, if I want to write into non-ANSI. Any guessing? Select. Tell me, select star from student S, comma, course C. Where? S dot CID plus equals to C dot CID plus. How many people guessing like this? Raise your hand. I'm asking, guessing, I'm asking. Happily raise your hand, no problem. I'm not asking is it right or wrong. I'm asking your guess. How many people guess like this? Raise your hand. Come on. Okay. The remaining people, you're not guessing, huh? Otherwise, remaining people, chalne do, sir, chalne do. That kind of people don't stay here. Go to Himalaya. जाने दो सर, जाने दो, ओम बाबा बाबा बाबा, जाओ वहां पर, यहाँ पर मत रहना. No job, no family, no parents, no wife, especially no wife, no children's, happy life. Yes or no? Yes or no? Go to Himalaya, baba baba baba. Yes or no, yeah? जॉब करना है सर, इंटरव्यू जाना है, पढ़ना है. वाई सन्यासी ले लो, हैप्पी. हैप्पी लाइफ ना. वहां पर कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, ओनली वाटर, वाटर फ्रूट्स. हेल्थ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड, सुपर हेल्थ, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो लिविंग 100 years. Yes or no? Our life what now, yeah? Everything is a healthy food. 60, 70 years. If you go na 100 years, 120 years, you are staying in there. Yes or no? Because there is no healthy food, only natural food. Yes or no? सोच लो क्या करना है. Okay, so this is your guessing, right? So actually what it was happened, actually everyone they're guessing like this, but the problem is what now? See, in this error only you can read. A predicate symbol may reference only one outer join table. Point understand na? So now this is called a predicate symbol. This predicate symbol I can use only one outer join table. That means either course, otherwise either student. Any one only can apply, but I can't apply on both. So that is a problem. That's why it's very clear. Your doubt, okay, error also very clear. What is the error? A predicate symbol may references only one outer joined table. Outer joined table, either course or student. Any one only can predict, not both sides. So only one side. Okay. One side means left outer, one side means right outer. Okay. Now I need what now? Full outer. Full outer means here definition what I was given. It is a combination of left and right. Okay. So now combination of left. Left already we written na. Where is left here? Yes, left outer. Left outer. This is left outer, right? Yes or no? Come on. This is left. Okay. Right I wanted. And this is right. This is a right. Yes or no? Okay. So left outer, right outer. What I need to do? Combined. Now tell me, we learn any concept to combining two select statements together. Is there any concept? We'll learn it. Two select queries combining. Set. Which operators? Set operators. Set operator definition is what? To combining the results of two select queries. So now this select query result, this select query result, both are combined. Then which one I want to use in set operators? Union, intersector, minus union. So I want to use what now? Union. Understand? Now let me go. Now we can see, now your predicate symbol, are you applied any one table or both tables? Any one table. Any one left outer join, right outer join. So only one table we predict. How many tables we predict? Only one table we predict. In this query, the predict symbol was predict on course. In this query, the predict was on student. So only one table is happen. Okay, fine. And now this entire the statement. Okay, here I want to remove this. Okay. Now here the entire the statement. I just go to put it here, left outer and right outer combination. I just keep and execute now. Then you can see the same output we got it. Come on. So now see the same output. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20. This is unmatching data from left side. This is unmatching data from right side. So I implemented full outer join. Yes, full outer join implementation is done. Right down below. So first ANSI, then after go for non-ANSI. Okay, so this is outer joints when we want to use means when you want it unmatching rows. Sorry. Okay, so whenever you want it here, full outer, sorry, your unmatching rows, there only outer joints are required. Otherwise, don't use outer joints. Understand? Na? In your requirement basis, you want it unmatching rows also. There only outer joints techniques can be implemented. Otherwise, no need. Understand? Na? So these are, okay, your outer joints techniques. And the next one takes adding non-equi join. Okay, so equi-join, what we defined here, equi-join was going to be joining the tables based on equal operator. Yes or no? But here non-equi-join, how it was going to be defined means, I can retrieving data from multiple tables based on any condition, but except a equal condition. Okay, you can use any condition like less than, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, between operator, end operator, or operator, not equals to operator. Any operator you can use your joining purpose, but don't use equal operator. That's called as what now? Non-equi join. Right on below. So what it was saying here, retrieving data from multiple tables, based on any condition, except an equal operator, Okay, so we can use which kind of operators we can use? We can use the following operators are. So I can use here less than operator, comma, greater than, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, not equals to. Okay, in the not equals to, even though we can write this one, comma, you can use what now? Between operator, you can use end operator, or operator, whatever it was, you can use. But don't use it which operator? Equal. So other than equal, you can use any operator you can. Okay, now, so we will see the examples. Today Thursday, na? Friday, na? Friday. Eh? Okay, right. The first of all, let me see. I will show you one small example on non-equijoin, how it was work. Okay, come back here. First example you can see. Guys, here first I'm creating some tables. These tables are there or not? Okay, no tables, fine. Now, so come out and see first the sample tables I'm creating, the small tables, test one, and your serial number. Then after I will take varchar 2 of some size. After that, carefully observe in the test one table, I'm sending some information here. Suppose 10 comma some name is Smith. Okay, this is one employee, and the second one is 20 comma Alan. So I just commit this to permanently save. And after that, the another table I'm creating now, this table name is called as test number 2. But here I will take it out. So salary, its number. Okay, now this is another table. And after that, I'm going to insert into this test number 2 Suppose I'm sending some values of 10 comma some salary 25,000, and after I'm sending now next 30 comma here 15,000 salary. So here also I just committed. And finally, there are two sample tables we designed for test one table, and next one is test number two. Okay, now, right. So on these two tables, for example, you want to use a non-equi joint, for example. Okay, how I'm writing my condition, careful observe. Select, okay, star from test one T1, comma, test two T2. Yeah, T1, T2 what? Aliases. And I'm writing in which format? ANSI or non-ANSI? Non-ANSI. So which condition? Where condition? So I'm saying here, T1 dot serial number is equals to T2 dot serial number. If I leave like this is which join? Equi join. How can you say it is equi join? Because I'm using equal operator. Point understand now? So now what I'm saying here, if I want to convert into non-equi join, then what I want to do, this is remove and keep as whatever you want. Either less than a, greater than a, less than or equals to, not equals, so whatever you can keep it. Now what I'm keeping here, greater than. So T1 dot serial number is greater than T2 dot serial number. So as per greater than condition, I'm going to join two tables and retrieval. So my answer is what now? 20 ln 10 2000 25,000. Very simple example. So like this here, you can use less than symbol also, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to, not equals to, any kind of symbol you can apply. Got it my point? Yes. Now below, take in small, okay, that is sample table for your practicing purpose. Okay, and here I will take some small example on this. What is my query here? Yes. So this is which format? Non-ANSI. This is non-ANSI we got. Sir, how to write ANSI? How to write ANSI means same thing. Can you see guys here? Same thing. Okay, in place of this comma, I want to use a join key. And whenever I'm using join key, suppose if I use where class condition, it was not supporting to me. The where class is not supporting under ANSI format. So that's what I want to use there. Yes, I want to use in place of where on. And let me execute. Now same output. Yeah, this is called as a ANSI format. Right down below. So this is very small example. There is no confusion in this. Okay, one small example we taken out on this non-equi how to prepare. Right down below. Okay, completed. Hmm. So this is one small example on non-equal join, and yesterday notes I forward it yesterday. This join notes forward it. And clauses, main notes, I signed it. Clauses, main notes forward, na? Okay. Okay, right. So we'll continue tomorrow, guys. Okay, na? Right. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. And online people have any doubts, so send your doubts. No doubts, log out.